Responsible is the new rich. Welcome to She Runs the Budget, where I plan my month with intention, structure, and real life numbers. May is a transition month for me. I'm moving into a new job and my income isn't fully predictable yet. I know I'll make about $1,500 from my CNA job. I also have a second job where I'm working about 30 to 40 hours at a decreased pay rate from my CNA job. But I'm not exactly sure how many paychecks I'll receive from my second job this month. So instead of relying on exact numbers, I'm planning my budget in layers. My base plan is built on the $1,500 I know is coming in. These are non-negotiables. My storage bill, which is $55, due the 1st. My rent portion to my grandma that is due on the 5th or the 2nd Tuesday of each month. Car insurance. My car insurance is $160, $160, and that's due every month on the 15th. The loan to my grandmother that we took out, I pay her $50 the last Tuesday of every month. My car note is a $280 that is due every month on the 27th. And my phone bill, which is $48 to $49, depending on the change, that is due sometime this month. I say sometime this month because I've been utilizing the 7-day plan that my carrier offers, which is a reduced amount that allows me to pay a reasonable amount each week and still handle other responsibilities in order to be able to keep my phone active. So these get paid first no matter what. With my base income, my focus is staying current on bills, staying out of DailyPay cycle, covering essentials like gas and groceries. Any income from my second job will be treated as extra and I'll assign it intentionally. Priority order for extra income, car maintenance, a car diagnostic, and I would like to obtain all 4 new tires with warranty. Clothes, shoes for my son, my braces down payment, work clothes and shoes for my new job, and everything else becomes optional, not urgent. I'm not planning to take on everything this month. Memberships are extras and not essentials. However, my job does offer a discounted price for a YMCA membership that I will be taking advantage of. So stay tuned to our Fun Fridays, as you'll see coming in these next couple weeks. I'm learning how to manage my money when it's not predictable, and that means prioritizing, not guessing. I'm not spending based on what I might make. I'm planning based on what I know I have. This is my May breakdown, a base plan on extra income, and a commitment to staying in control no matter what comes in. Responsible is the new rich, and this month I'm running my budget with intention. Thank you.